Who shall we deem worthy?
Is the Ace of Vegas, the Ace of Vegas.
Hey you guys, Ace of Vegas here today. Wanted to go ahead and thank you for clicking on the video as usual. And today we are going to go ahead and check out the Feast of the Gods game. So this is another one of the Electrolink games. I'm already looking forward to it, and it seems to be a Norse themed game. So I remember seeing a guy with a hammer on here. I'm presuming it's Thor. No, not Marvel Thor. Apparently, regular Thor just has red hair. So looking forward to that. This already looks cool. And it's got the Electrolink, so there's still that whole God of Thunder option going there. So let's go ahead and see what this game actually looks like. See what the bet lines are like. See what we can do. Yeah, it definitely already has a very medieval sort of feel to it. And immediately another... Oh yeah, there's Thor. There's Thor. There's Mjolnir. So let's see. Let's go ahead and skip by this here. Apparently there's a Serpent Jackpot feature. I think last time we did an Electrolink, we did 1.575 million through the machine, so 1,575,000. Meaning that we risked 157,500,000 chips here. And I think we should do the same just to keep it consistent. So let's go ahead and put those 100 spins on the clock. On your mark, get set, ready, go. Alright, so I hope you guys were able to make it to the stream on Saturday. I'm trying to get those streams a bit more consistent now. It's been, the real world's been a little tough. We're doing some moving, so I'm going to have a bigger studio here in a little while pretty soon. And then got some big stuff going on at work too, so that's still been a very persistent, consistent sort of thing there. So that's been part of the real life there. I'm definitely ready for a Vegas trip. I've got a little time, hopefully scheduled in April. I'd very much like that scheduled in April, but that's not officially guaranteed yet. And looking to make it a big trip. Might be a solo trip. So you guys are probably gonna be who joins me. All right, that was good. That was good actually. 6 million on that one. So fair amount of wilds. Looks like it's gonna be kind of that standard video poker styled pokey machine here. That's what they call them in Australia, the pokies. We've been kind of sparse on the Electrolinks, though. That's interesting. What I do find fascinating, though, is that it actually does rack up based on whatever you get down there. So that's kind of cool. So this is a lot like the actual full-on Electrolink game. And hopefully focuses a little more on that. And I'm not sure what the Serpent's Jackpot bonus is. I'm wondering if that's like the giant Electro Ball from last time we did an Electrolink game. We're getting there. Alright. But yeah, I'm thinking Mirage. Definitely want to go to Mirage and go from there. Also, I've been reading up a little bit about some of the Vegas business scene. So, as you guys know, Mark Versora from Caesars is stepping down pretty soon, and I think they've actually got a replacement worked out for him. I'll tell you guys more about that in a minute. But it looks like we actually got our first bonus here: 10 free spins from the Serpent's Pass. Let's see how we do. This thing holds up Midgard, I'm pretty sure. All right, cool. We got a big win on that. Electrolink. Oh, okay, so it starts an Electrolink on top of the big win. Okay, awesome. Let's see what happens here. All right. Oh, we got a respin. Boom, more respins. What? Okay, come on, Thor. Give us some more electricity. Oh, and a major jackpot. How banging does this get? So now I'm going to be really tempted to just go ahead and drop off here, but that's not the right thing to do. We got to spin this all the way through 100 spins. That's a good spin right there, those wilds. Now I wonder if we get to keep those 950,000 Electro Balls to keep spinning and maybe, hopefully, get another big jackpot like this. 63 million, alright. So if we even pick up another 100 million, we'll have broken even. It feels like the Electrolink games are easily the best games in this entire series. I think those are the ones we've had the most wins with. Okay, cool, cool, cool. We got a lot of wins going on. This wild Electrolink has been too strong. I wish I had this type of luck in the real casino there. Then I'd probably play slot machines. But I don't. I just don't. Not how I roll. Boom! 7.5 million. That's 82 million. That's over half of what we invest. Good old Thor. Alright. Strongest Avenger. Or most powerful Avenger. I can't remember. I think Hulk is physically the strongest, but Thor is the most powerful. Well, actually, I figure that should be Scarlet Witch, but that's a whole nother can of worms right there. So that's what we need. We need a cool superhero-themed casino. Maybe we'll go ahead and talk to what's his name? Anthony Fedora. That's who they're considering to be the new CEO for Caesars when Frisora steps down. So maybe we can talk to that guy about that. Yeah, it seems as if you're not doing great on MyVegas, just jump into an Electrolink game and you might do fine. Or at least hit the Serpent's Pass. Yeah, we're stacking. We're just stacking these lightning balls now. Okay, cool. That's a lot of chips. We're not getting a lot on these little ones. It's really the big ones that are rewarding us here. I think we're going to eat our cushion here in just a second. These small ones are only worth a few 100,000, and they're not hitting the millions like they ought to. So if this was a card game, we'd at least be even right now. Probably a little more than that. But that's not how slots work. They are not card games. They're like really non-sophisticated video poker machines. It's really random video poker machines. Oh, come on, let's get another Serpent. Nope, the Serpent passed us over. Anytime I see a Serpent like that, even if it's the Midgard Serpent, I always still think of Dragon Ball Z. It's kind of funny. Oh, what's this? What did I get this for? Apparently I got 250. Oh, it's because I got like 50 of the meat symbols there, so if those just kind of rolled up. Alright, that's cool. And if we get some mead there. Wouldn't mind some mead. Mead is nice. I don't think I've ever had real mead. I'm not sure what the real difference between mead and beer is. It's never really come up before. Oh, and here comes another strike from Thor! Lucky Thor time! Alright, nice! Now, oh, I was wondering how long those were going to stick around for. Apparently just one spin. Oh, that minor jackpot would have been nice to tag. Oh man, I think we're on we're getting towards our last 25 spins here, and I'm not sure if we're going to get another Electrolink bonus here. I don't think we're going to get another Electrolink. I'd very much like another Electrolink, but it doesn't seem to be coming. I'm not sure if the game can hear me. Electrolink bonus, please. Nope. No visit from the Midgard Serpent. Sorry, guys. Man, look at that, though. 35 million. If I ever hit that again, that'd be tremendous. Negatory on that. That was just another $1.5 million. I don't think we lost too much on this. This actually isn't too bad. So far, this has been the worst of the Electrolink games. Lucky May seems to be the best thus far. I don't know. We still got a chance. We still got a chance to hit something big just to push us over that 100%. which I wouldn't mind since this is a new game and it was interesting to play. We got 10 more spins, guys. If we can do 10 more good spins here, we'll go ahead and see. Nope. You know, all this change with Caesars got me wondering if Jim Murin's gonna change anything up anytime soon. I think he's the only major CEO in Vegas that doesn't have some sort of chip on his shoulder right now, especially with the way things went down with Steve and everybody over at Wynn, who may be getting a new name. So, all right, let's do one more spin. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh! We got that last second Electrolink. No way. Thor heard our prayers, guys. Thor heard our prayers. Oh, and we got respins. Respins for days. Bolts galore, combo moves. Okay, cool. Let's see what else we get. Can we get a major or a minor jackpot here? We got one spin to go. Here we go. Let's count up the booty. Okay, cool. That was what? 14,400,000. Stack it up. Okay, cool deal, guys. So looks like we ended with 604,892,141. So let's go ahead and take a quick break there. We're gonna go back to the main screen while I count up the booty. Alright guys, so we did the calculations here, and I'm actually going to say that Feast of the Gods, it's close to being a very good game. I think it's a good game. It actually gave us a payback percentage of 96.52%. So not a bad way to play a game. It's a good new game to play. We only lost $5.5 million on it, so I'd say that's actually pretty good if you're looking for something stable. It's not the strongest Electrolink game, but it sure beats the hell out of most of the other games we've been playing. So I'm going to go ahead and collect this bonus and sign off for the day. So Ace of Vegas signing out. Happy spinning, you guys, and I'll have some cool new tutorials for you these next couple days. Thanks again.